In this video, we're going to break down 3 undervalued metaverse-based tokens to take advantage of in this current market dip. 1 to certainly not to miss for any portfolio. Let's jump straight into this. There are so many awesome metaverse-based projects to get involved in right now. I'm just picking out 3 that really excite me at the moment. I see massive upside potential in, and it just still fascinates me. Whoa. The metaverse, how we can go into these worlds, live lives, socialize, build, own land and make money. Money, we all want to make money, right? In these virtual worlds. It's crazy. We can make money in the real world, but also in these virtual worlds. So this is going to take me on to my first pick, which is Metahero. So look, if you take a look here, actually, when you load up on the website, this is quite cool. This is their CEO. Being scanned, right? So what they aim to do is use this ultra HD photogrammic scanning technology where they scan real items, whether it be your phone, or as you see in this video, this example, scanning yourself, creating this avatar of yourself into the metaverse, creating these NFTs that are going into the metaverse, which will serve value in that virtual world, which I find absolutely incredible. So they're still fully building right now. And one thing that's quite reassuring to me is their roadmap. You can see the progress that they've been making so far since sort of launching. You can see the strong team behind them. Go and see all their credentials. This is one of the big value adds that I get when I can see the core team, when I can understand who these people are. They're not hiding behind, all these avatars and these, no names, so on and so forth. Their names are there. Their credibility's on the line. And what they're building, it seems like they've got a serious amount of financial stability behind them. They're based in Dubai. And here, if we take a look at their price, at the moment trading at just shy of 9 cents right now, and I see some serious value in that. Just at the time recording, we're actually up 14%. Obviously, it seems like these dips are being bought at the moment across the cryptocurrency industry. So that's my first one, Metahero. Number 2 is Seek VR. Now, I love this project. Now, they actually have physical technology here, which is amazing. It's their headset, right, which has already been patented, and it's available in big stores like Best Buy, Target. What Seek are trying to do, Seek VR, is, you put on this headset, you go into this virtual world, Seek City, you can stream, live music events, you can stream, content from big content creators, artists, so on and so forth with this headset on. And you can see they've already had some huge endorsements with the likes of Lady Gaga. You can see Demi Lovato here, one of the Marley brothers there, or the Marley sons. So this is huge, and they've got massive partnerships with the likes of Universal Music, T-Mobile, and Apple. And this appeared actually as well on the Ellen Show, just to show you the platform and the scale and the awareness consumers have of it, and the fact that you can buy this physical product now and put on this VR headset is insane. If you look at Seek, so Seek is the native token. Trade around sort of just shy of 43 cents today. Actually, at the time recording, we're actually up around 20%. I see huge potential value in this, a long-term hold as we gain more adoption and awareness of this product. And something that I missed off as well is, it has a big marketplace as well, enable creation and trade of blockchain-based digital assets online. And obviously, this will relate to the artists that they have, more artists that they have coming onto their platform and being able to perform, which you can stream, so on and so forth. So definitely don't miss this one, Seek. Guys, before I get onto my third pick, just want to remind you, there's a link in the description, a massive opportunity for you to get involved. As investors, right, in a cryptocurrency, as investors in whatever asset class, it's key that we diversify. And there's a huge opportunity here for you to become, a part owner and invest in a cryptocurrency exchange. Not many opportunities like that about for you to be involved in that and earn potentially as the cryptocurrency exchange grows. So CoinCasso here, you can get involved. You can understand what you will benefit from as a respective investor. You got to remember that cryptocurrency exchanges are highly profitable. They make money in bull trends, they make money in bear trends. 365 days a year, they're always making money. They're valuable. They've got a huge community. Look at the growth stats here. They're 120 places up on CoinMarketCap. 62,000 users grown, 6-time user growth in 2021. They got 2 licenses from European authorities. It's key that we have that credibility there with respectable authorities. And look, they have a potential valuation of $50 billion plus in the coming years. So something to get involved with. And as respective investors, number of exclusive benefits, merchandise, NFT drops, so on and so forth. So you can click the link in the description for that. On to my third and final pick, and this one is Avagachi. Now, here's a bit of nostalgia or throwback for you. It's similar to the concept of, I know I had a few of them, and it was what was known as a Tamagotchi, right? Google it, you'd understand. You had this little pet that you'd feed, you'd grow, you'd look after daily. If you didn't look after it, the poor little creature would get sick. You had all these notifications on this little gadget. I thought it was awesome. I used to carry it around with me everywhere. But now we've got Avagachi, okay? So digital friends for the crypto generation, where you have this Avagachi, you look after it, you help grow it. The real value adds here are obviously you can earn, right? You can earn XP. You can dress up your Avagachi in little collectibles. You can check out on their website. What I love about their website, you've got these little sound effects that remind me of when you used to tap the buttons on the Tamagotchi. But look, you build up your Avagachi, look after it, get it wearing all these collectibles, and with that all these collectibles and the XRP you earn, excuse me, not XRP, the XP you earn from playing and looking after it, it builds up the Avagachi's, its rarity. And then what you can go on and do is sell it, list it within the marketplace and sell it to other players. So this is certainly one to keep an eye on, and a bit of fun as well. And I'm sure we'll definitely pick up some traction, particularly in the Asian community, because they love these sort of games. So it's certainly one to keep an eye on your watch list and check that out. Let's just see the price here. GHST, the ticker, trading at sort of $2.05, we're up 1% just at the time of recording today, but I do see some massive upside value in that one. Other than that, so those are my picks. Obviously, I've had many picks before in the likes of Wilder World, Sandbox, Decentralised, there's other Metaverse-based token. There's a ton of others which I'll continue to review. Guys, please do not hesitate to give me a follow on Instagram. Follow CoinCasso on Instagram. Make sure, because this is incentivized me, make sure you hit up that subscribe button and a like button. If you do want more content, you don't want that slowing down, stay lit, let's get it.